Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to use Dream Machine. Dream Machine is a platform in which you can create videos with artificial intelligence, and it's very useful. So first you have to register here, and it has a cost too. You can try free. However, if you try free, you have to wait until the platform could be used. So it's better sometimes to um, pay for the subscription. Anyway, so for example, if you want to try it, just try now. As you can see, he say introduce to the high demand, we're placing you on the wait list. You can skip in the wait list again. So if you want to use it quickly, I recommend you to subscribe. This is the subscription prices. You can use a light, plus, standard, plus, and premium. And well, the prices are not too high, but well, you can see if it's good for you or not. In case that you don't want to pay and you want to use it free, well, just go to generate or create, close this, and here you can create your video with artificial intelligence. You have 30 videos free. However, as you can see, it says you are on the wait list, and this could be 1 hour, 2 hours, or more. So I recommend you to play for the pro. Anyway, if you are using it, you here will write your words for create the video. In this case, you can create, for example, cat, dog, and bear, and this will generate a video with artificial intelligence. And well, guys, as you know, well, you can see that the waitlist is long, but I hope this information helps you. If you need more help, you can write on the comments. And well, remember to subscribe and give like to this video.